Hayop! Ahay! Ahay! Ay! Eh! Hey guys! Congratulations! Saglit lang to. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ng data ko. Kanina pa ako hirap na hirap. Pero congratulations, Krishna! OMG ka! Hulasan ang atin nyo. Diyos, tita nyo. Nagpipintura kami. Ito na yung apartment ng nanay ko. Nagpipintura lahat. Kaya hirap na hirap ako makakuha ng signal kasi nakadata lang ako. Congratulations! Hindi ako nanood kasi medyo busy ako. Tsaka alam ko talaga aabutin tayo ng ganitong oras. Pasensya na guys ha. I'm not in my usual self. Hi! Right, Christopher! Nandito ako. Tita, as lang, iisa lang ang crown, wala yung dalawa. Parang na-mention nila na magkakaroon sila ng crowning para dun sa ibang mga titles. Pero baka i-announce at a later time. Thank you so much. Hi, John Michael! Hi, Win! Hi, EM! Watching from Dubai, naiyak ako for Krishna. Ako naman, hindi ako masyadong tutok na tutok kasi hirap na hirap ako makakuha ng signal. Pero, sobrang happy ako. Happy ako. Medyo na-shocked lang ako ng very slight sa Q&A kasi sobrang respectful ng delivery niya. Tapos, nag-iingat talaga siya. Pero, sa training kasi namin, dapat sinasagot niya kaagad yun eh. Dapat nag-pick siya whether yes or no. So, she went by the middle ground. So, okay na. Ayan pala, si Cavite na si RHA. Ayan na pala. Hi, Ray Christopher. Hello, kamusta ka dyan? Separate ang crowning na announce na po. Okay, sige. APS 1213 is watching from UK. I'm really happy about Krishna as their choice. Because if you really want to shake up the system, if you really want a fighting chance at Miss World now, and medyo nababagot na rin tayo, ang tagal na rin natin, parang are we just really gunning for like a placement? Baka now is a really good time na medyo magkaroon ng shake up sa Miss World. And ako talaga, as of yesterday, on board na talaga ako na ipupush talaga siya for Miss World. Kasi nakikita natin na tumatapat yung mukha niya dun sa mukha ni Christina. So, hindi malayo eh. I mean, hindi stark yung diferensya ng guwapa level. So, just for that alone, like just for the face and the physicality alone, push ako dyan. But, you know, she kept on like going further and further and alam niya na malakas siya at kailangan niyang lakasan sa prelims para secured yung place niya sa finals. And pagdating ng finals, she's a thinking candidate. I think this is very much the same pag nag-a-analyze for boxing. Like when analysts always say, you know, this is a thinking like boxer. I find that Krishna is the same way. Like alam niya kung kailan isa-smize, alam niya kung kailan magsa-smile, alam niya kung kailan magsa-soften. So, may ano siya, may awareness siya. So happy ako at happy ako na kayang-kaya pa natin tutukan, kaya-kaya pa natin i-polish ng husto. Hi Avi Mar, wala ako masabi pag si tita ang humawak. Hindi lang naman ako yan guys. Dalawa ang trainer ni Krishna, ako at saka si attorney. Tapos, ako kasi mostly for delivery. Ako yung hugot. Ako rin yung kung ano yung patok sa pageant fans. Dinidelegate namin usually kay attorney kung ano yung parang mas like current events. Although ako, nagbabato talaga ako kay Krishna. I really make sure na may laman yung utak ng bata. Ayan. Hi, Kimilicious! Saglit lang naman to. Hindi lang ako sure kung kakayanin ng data ko magpa-live kahit na na ako lipstick, na ako everything. Hulas-hulas na ako kasi nga may inaayos kami. Ayan, inaayos namin tong apartment ng mama ko. Ayan. Hi! Sino pa ba? Thank you. Thank you sa mga nagko-congratulate. It's me, Darwin. Sabi ni Rookie, walang sense yung sagot ni Baguio. Train nyo pa, please. First of all, we will definitely train and I do not agree with you na wala yung sense ng sagot niya. But thank you for telling us this. Sino pa ba mga nandito? Congratulations daw for redirection and realness. Sabi ni Bobby, congrats to Baguio and the team. Tita, nakuha ni Bicol. Ano nakuha ni Bicol, by the way? Meron ba siyang nakuha? Hi, Snack! Kamusta ka dyan? Tita, Krishna Girl did it. Tita, ipatrain natin siya kay Tito Boy. Wala naman sa atin yung pera dahil dun sa management team niya. When is Miss World? May bagong schedule ba? Wala talaga akong idea. Baka Berber months. Sabi ni Kieferography, Tita, isa kang alamat. Bakit ako? Tita, thoughts din kay Dia Mate as RHA. Kaya lang, di ba maraming mga singing-singing din dun? Baka kayanin niya. Yung di nakalaban si Krishna sa Supra kasi si Pauline nilaban. Pauline jumped to MUPH na din. Oo nga yun. Now that you think about it, parang ang tagal-tagal natin na hinihiling na i-consider ni Pauline mag-Miss World Philippines. Baka dun sana yung swerte niya. Pauline, ano ba? I-reconsider na ba? Hi, Alejandro Pexon, kamusta? Tita, ang lambot niya during EG, ang layo sa laban ng MUPH. Well, ako, I'm quite happy na we retained some, para hindi maguluhan yung mga tao. Like, we retained some elements from her first stint at MUPH. So, we still wanted the see-through na sa baba, pero hindi na laban na see-through. And we also wanted, because I made her choose, she asked if she was going to go for yung hair na nakaban or naka-straight. Kasi naglo-look test yan kami. Hindi lang ako naka-attend kagabi kasi busy din ako. But they were always updating us kung anong klase ng hair yung babagay sa kanya. So, I asked her, saan ka ba pinaka-powerful? Tapos, ang sabi niya, lion hair pa rin, tita. So, sabi ko, kung lion hair, di mag-lion hair ka. Kasi, dyan ka pala parang mas nabibigyan ng mas malaking confidence eh. O di sige. So, nag-lion hair sila. So, I know that there are some folks who are like commenting it's the same or like it's the lion hair from Miss Universe Philippines or like matigas or something. Ako kasi, ang tingin ko ngayon, you have to give Krishna her identity. Na just because nilalaban natin siya sa Miss World, hindi natin pwedeng burahin yung pagkatao niya. So, you know, as a compromise, we agreed na may konting sexiness pa din, but we were really very, very concerned na walang lumalabas na cleavage o kaya mga boobies or anything. So, para sa amin, she can retain at least yung hair niya and then she can retain at least yung sheerness ng gown, but everything else, doon na natin ipapattern sa kung anong hinahanap ng Miss World. So, hindi naman kami nagdi-deviate, di naman namin pinupush yung envelope kasi gets naman namin kung ano yung hinahanap nila. And for me, if it gave Krishna power, as she was the one who requested it, sige, payag kami lahat doon. Ano masasabi mo kay Bianca Tapia? Guys, sorry, please update me. Nakakuha ba si Bianca ng sorry, hindi ako updated. Nagpa-live ako kaagad. Please update me. Sino ba mga naka-corona? So, RHA, si Cavite. Sino-sino pa ba, guys? Sabi ni Kieferography, nagpaka-safe lang si Krishna dahil nandun si Madam Julia. Ayaw niyang itaas ang age limit. And it has something to do with inclusivity. Pero sabi nga ni Tito Boy, end your statement strong. Siguro doon ako nakulangan. Hindi masyadong strong yung ending niya. But for me, she kept yung idea na siya si Krishna, hindi siya masyadong makakabangga ng tao because she's always respectful with even her delivery. Okay, even with her what do you call this? Yung basta yung parang chemical makeup niya talaga. Okay, Bicol daw is face of beauty, lalaban. Bianca is Miss Tourism. Cavite Rain. Okay, so itong mga sinasabi natin na names ngayon, Bianca, Cavite, Pangasinan, kung tutuusin natin, ito lang naman din yung mga girls na nagsusurface talaga eh. Ano pong masasabi niyo na first runner-up si Tarlac? Ang hirap. Kasi si Tarlac for me, ginawa din naman niya lahat, si Jasmine, ginawa niya lahat para bumagay talaga dun sa idea ng Miss World eh. So, mahirap din talaga. Kita nyo naman yung naging takbo ng nakabantay tayo ng husto kasi ayaw natin na ma 1, 2, 3 si Krishna kasi yung pre-pageant activities nila, parang nawa 1, 2, 3 na nila yung tao eh. Tapos iba-iba, like sila Jasmine Omay, sila rin naman yung nakakakuha ng mga awards. So, the way I see it, ang lakas talaga guys ng hatak for me nung naging preliminary nung charity gala nila. Kasi doon talaga tayo nagkakitaan na ihilera mo sila lahat kung sino yung umaangat doon. Guys naman, bigyan ka ba naman ng gold na gown tapos may sobrang laki na gold na halo? Hindi ka ba papansinin nun? Yun naman ang sa akin. Oo na, nandun na ako, alaga ko siya, yes. Pero kung hindi ko alaga si Krishna, ma-recognize ko pa rin yung lakas niya guys eh. Ang lakas pa rin kasi talaga niya eh. At pumunto siya ng gusto. Give na give siya ng charity gala, ng preliminaries nila. So, yun talaga. Sabi ni Prince Aklul, tama ba? I would say lahat ng titles fit sa each girl. Sobrang deserving ng kinoronahan. Ayan. Rick Albaster is saying, Hakot Award si Krishna. Oo nga, Krishna, shoot ka pa kape ka naman. Mind your business. Worth it ng pagpupuyat. Nakakaloka, hindi ko nga alam na nandito ako ngayon. Tita, meron na bang announcement for the other crowds? Meron na. Kimilicious, perfect si Cavite sa RHA. Parang feeling ko, bagay doon yung skin niya, bagay doon yung calm skills, mukhang willing pa siyang mag-Spanish, at bagay doon yung mga singing. So, why not? Sabi ni G17, bongga si Krishna. Sabi naman, oy, hi Gian! Kamusta ka dyan? Good morning. Nakakaloka, good morning. Tita, sino pa ba? Hi, Miss Scarlett! Kamusta? Deserve mo magbagyo? Oo, sobra. Deserve ko talaga magbagyo. Yaan mo. Pag natapos namin itong nangyayari sa kabahayan namin. Nakakaaliw itong bagong apartment ng nanay ko. May balcony. Tapos, basta aayusin pa namin to. Oo nga eh, Hakot sponsor. Sabi ni Cutie, ang consistent ni Tarlac, hindi niya lang talaga gabi. Alam mo, dapat minsan talaga maniwala tayo sa ganun. Kasi, invested ako sa Miss World ngayon. May mga kakilala ako. Nandiyan, of course, sila Isabel Bilasano. Nasabi ko naman sa inyo, nakakausap ko before. Si Jasmine Omay, of course, familiar kami. Isa sa mga favorites ni Tita B din. And then, Miss Manila, of course, si Gabby Lancer. Pero yun nga eh, kahit na sila na yung perceived favorites, nakikita mo na hindi nila gabi. Gabi talaga ni Krishna. Actually, nung yesterday, last night, gabi pa rin ni Krishna, guys. Yun pa din. Naku, province, gusto ko rin ito. Magaling niya rin sumagot. Sabi ni Jerome, hi Jerome! Hello, how are you? Good morning, what a night. Who is your favorite evening gown contestant kanina? Ako talaga Krishna pa rin. Krishna pa rin kasi nag-isip naman ang theme kasi talaga nila is modern Filipiniana. So alam naman namin na maraming magteterno. Kaya medyo naghanap na kami ng way, of course with Rian Fernandez and his expertise, na naghanap na kami ng way para malihis naman, para hindi masyadong terno-terno. So I am glad that they came up with a traje de mestiza. So I thought it was really, really nice. Ayan. Ooh, tita! Kamusta ka dyan? What can you say about Rihanna Pangandian? Alam mo, may observation ako sa kanya kanina. Hindi siya masyadong nag-shine sa akin kanina, pero ang taas na dapat ng level ni Rihanna. Hindi siya sa akin nag-shine kanina kasi, well, siguro, for one thing, kulang sa sparkles yung damit niya. But the dress was made by Mara Chua and it was absolutely beautiful. It fitted her well. Pero, you know, every time like I see her like kanina dun sa mga snippets na nakuha ko, hindi siya mukhang lalaban for Miss World. Mukha siyang magho-host. So, yun ang ano ko sa kanya. Yun ang naging observation ko. Para siyang kasama dun sa roster ng, wait lang guys, kasama dun sa roster ng mga girls na, yun nga, na mag-host doon. Hindi talaga yung parang lalaban for a competition. I suppose, yes, tama ka naman, masterpiece. Yung strategy ni Krishna kanina, ang in-employ ni Krishna kanina sa Q&A was the same way. Hoy! 900 kayong nanunood, nakakaloka kayo, bakit kayo gising? Sige na, i-wrap up ko na to, nakakaloka kayo. Di ko naman napansin na ganito kayo karami nanunood, loka. But anyway, yung Q&A ni Krishna, ang in-employ niya na technique is no different from Catriona Gray when Catriona is boxed in a difficult question. Catriona, of course, she's a natural, but she has a way of steering the conversation na sinagot pa rin niya, but not directly. So I think this was what Krishna was really going for. Was it convincing? I suppose, because she won Miss World, but it's a very tricky technique. Pag hindi ka well-versed, ang tricky ng ganong technique na sasagutin mo yung question indirectly pero iikot ka at ang ending walang na-offend. Now, if Krishna has this skill na untapped pala, well, we might have a diplomat, we might have someone who can mediate and, you know, come up with a discussion na respectful and calm and, ayun, asaya. Anong wrap-up? Anong wrap-up pinagsasabi mo? Do you think tinanong din ng girls like MUPH kung MWP or nothing or okay lang yung crown? Siguro. But with Krishna naman, I think we've always been very vocal that she jumped ship right after Miss Charm, and then alam naman niya yung limitations niya para sa Miss World Philippines, and she was always very vocal on how intimidated she was with Miss World Philippines, but you know that this was a challenge na she was ready to accept. And yun lang ang masasabi ko, vocal kami from the very beginning kahit na anong corona yan. RHA, kinakahon nyo yung tao sa RHA. Okay lang kasi for us, ano pa rin siya, preparation pa rin eh. Nag-aayos pa rin kami ng girls, inaayos pa rin namin depende sa pageant na sasalihan nila. So yan. Sabi ni David, Krishna is the strongest rep since Megan Young. You know what? I quite agree with you. And if I may, pwede ko na sigurong isplok ngayon. So, alam niyo naman guys na kaibigan namin si Megan. So, dahil kaibigan namin si Megan, ayoko din naman masyadong harutin at kulitin si Megan. Kasi I don't want also Megan to think that we're using our friendship to get insider information on what she thinks or like that. But I did use my card just one time. I messaged Megan and I said, Megan, like, I know I'm not supposed to cross the line because we don't have that dynamics at hindi naman ako makulit. But, you know, just this one time, give us a tip. Ano bang tingin mo kay Krishna? Kasi, kung nagtaka kayo, kung tama ba siya sa Miss World, of course, nagtaka din naman kami. Of course, nag-isip din naman kami. And Megan was also one of the few individuals na medyo nagpalakas din sa loob namin at nagsabi na, you know, Tita, Krishna for me is the most facially beautiful in the bunch. So, yun palang enough na sa akin. So, gusto siya ni Megan kasi may laban face-wise si Krishna. Everything else aayusin na lang. Mabait yung tao, sumusunod, nakikinig. May machinery, may funding din naman. So, okay lang. Kaya natin to. Kakayanin natin ang Miss World this year. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Tatiana, Austria, we have to see you at the Nationals. Ayan. But yun, kakayanin natin this year. You know, Krishna and Gwen, they're also from the same management team. But I can say that I think we will be more hands-on with Krishna kasi si Krishna hawak namin una pa lang. Hi, Victoria! Ayan. So, hawak pa rin kasi namin siya una pa lang. So, tututukan namin kasi ganun naman eh. We want her to excel. We also want her to get that chance to elevate herself as well. So, it will be a challenge for us to work on Miss World, pero laban yan. Back in the day, I used to write scripts also for Miss World, so baka kayanin. Nako, etong live na to, try kong i-publish sa YouTube. Hindi ko naman to hahabaan pa. Zina Ramos! Oh my gosh! Kailan ang possible laban yan? Ako, hindi pa namin na pag-usapan din talaga kasi syempre, gusto sana namin manalo muna ng Miss World. O isa sa mga corona sa Miss World. Ayun. Naku, Tatiana, I now understand how the audience felt during our time. Mahirap pala magpuyat. Congratulations. Alam mo, kung nagre-reklamo ko ngayon and I don't feel like my freshest and my cleanest, paano pa yung mga girls na akala mo na mukhang glamour na glamour, pero actually kanina pa sila. Kanina pa sila naka-hair and makeup. Gayan. So siguro, darating na tayo sa punto na susubaybay ulit tayo sa Miss World. Tapos, pag na 1, 2, 3 tayo, hindi na naman tayo bate. But I'm really happy because, I don't know, I just have the feeling na parang mas may laban tayo sa Miss World this year. I don't know. At lalaban tayo. Feeling ko marami sa atin ang mas magiging enthusiastic sa laban natin sa Miss World. Kasi, wala eh. Nakuha natin yung gusto natin ngayon eh. Nakuha natin yung shake-up na gusto natin ngayon eh. And deserve tong shake-up na to eh. Parang, if we felt na deserve talaga ni Myrna Esguerra yung Binibining Pilipinas representation for international, ngayon sana mas naiintindihan nyo yung pinaglalaban ko na baka may mag-change sa atin ngayon. Baka mas maging successful tayo ngayon sa campaign natin sa Miss World. Baka ito na yung time na medyo mas competitive tayo. Na hindi tayo nagre-rely lang sa Sash Factor. Kasi, di ba, for the longest time, nakakapasok tayo sa Miss World. Pero right after Cat, feeling mo lahat ng mga sumunod, depende na lang sa Sash Factor eh. But, yes, huwag kayong samaan ng loob if you think that nasayang yung katawan ni Krishna, nasayang yung spunk ni Krishna. We can still bring this to Miss World. And I'm just really excited. I'm really excited to start looking for pegs, looking for like attacks, and also intensify training, intensify kung ano yung mga pwede nating ilagay pa sa loob ng utak ni Krishna. Ayan. But hindi sila nag-crown. Ang sabi nila, yung announcement right after the coronation talaga eh. So, hindi man niya nakuha ang Supra noon, hindi man siya binigyan ng chance lumaban ng charm. Yes, this is a gamble. This really was such a gamble, but we're happy. We're really, really very happy. Totoo naman, after nung kay Kat, wala nang amor, pero tingnan natin, baka manumbalik this year. So for this, to the 889 to 900 who are still watching, yes, guys, hindi nyo kailangan tigilan yung idea na mag-Q&A si Krishna. This is really part of her curriculum. Hindi kami natigil. Even when she was still in limbo, hindi yan tumigil ng Q&A training niya. So, mas magi-intensify pa yan. Mas may kakayanan pa yan na mahasa ng husto. Lalo na ngayon, nanalo na siya. Isasabak at isasabak yan sa maraming mga speaking engagements. Mas mag-i-improve pa yan, guys. Ayan. So, thank you. Thank you, Taiwan. I'm happy. I think na, ayan kami ni Papa Ron. Papa Ron, say hi! Ayan. Kami ni Papa Ron ay magpipintura na. So, thank you. Thank you so much, you guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-congratulate. At, oo, sana naman hindi siya matarina. Pero kasi si Krishna, ang pinaglalaban ko talaga dito is, Krishna, hindi tayo nanalo sa BWAP kasi nga naman, irrigation program naman. Krishna, wala tayong pang irrigation, pero may puso yung tao. At totoo yun. Totoo yung nilalaban niya. Totoo yung pinaglalaban niya sa buhay niya. At happy ako. Happy ako sa Baguio. Of course, Baguio. Baguio! Alright, bye guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, guys.